Assalamu alaikum dear faculty members. First of all, my apologies, I got a bit late in making this video. I was engaged with other departmental affairs. As you all know that we are supposed to complete an online course which is about learning to teach online on this website Coursera. I shared the link of this online course in the group. So in case you have already completed the course, then you can simply ignore the video. Otherwise, if you are yet to complete it, then this is a sort of introductory video which will give you an idea how to get through it. First of all, obviously you are supposed to log in. When you will log in, if you have already created your account on Coursera, so it will be something like this. So this is the course that we are doing, learning to teach online, but you can simply, it is stating that go to course. In case you have not yet enrolled, use the link that I shared in the group to enroll. You can simply click on go to course, because you are already enrolled, so it will directly take you to the course. And here it is giving me the overview. So like I have completed the activities of 4 weeks and I'm supposed to complete the activity of the 5th week, and my course will expire on 22nd of June. So the simplest way to continue with your course is to click on this little button saying start. So it will take you to the very next activity from where you left. So you don't have to be worried about how to continue or how to proceed further, because otherwise if you go on this side, like where it says week 1, week 2, it gets very complicated, because there are a lot of videos and there are a lot of, you can say, redirection to other websites. So I simply log in and click on that button go to course, and then start with my activities from here. So once you will click on start, it will directly take you to the next activity from where you're supposed to continue. Now the problem with this course is that there are a lot of videos and you are not supposed to skip them all. You are supposed to play them all and watch them till end. Otherwise, if you skip this button, I hope you can see there are green checks. Otherwise they would turn green, and in the overview of the course your progress will not be shown if you will be skipping the video. So you are supposed to listen to or watch to all the videos. In case for non-native speakers, everything is written here. Whatever will be told in the video, you can scroll down and see everything that the tutor will be articulating is already written here. It's sort of subtitles. So you will simply watch all the videos, and after 4 and 5 videos, when you will click next button, which is up here, I hope you can see that. So there will be a sort of questionnaire based on those first 3 or 4 videos. You're supposed to answer the questions that will be asked in the questionnaire, and then it will grade you. So this is how you are supposed to continue with all your you can say course activities. So because I have already completed that question, I cannot show you that because it's already checked. In your case, it will be showing here the things that will be completed will be having green check, and the things which are yet to be completed, like this video, they are not green yet. So because I am supposed to watch this video, and obviously after 3 to 4 videos there will be sort of questionnaire. So this is how you are supposed to continue with your course. You can always check back by clicking here where it says learning to teach online, and it will again take you back to the first page of your course overview. There is this option of grades, taking notes, discussions and other things. I have not yet explored all those things, but I'm simply following the pattern that I have already shared with you, that I simply log in and click on this button start, and it takes me to the next activity. So this is how you're supposed to do. Watch all the videos, and then there are questionnaires. You are supposed to submit 2 assignments which will be graded and peer reviewed by various sort of I think tutors, or I don't know if you are also supposed to peer review some sort of assignments, because when I submitted my first assignment, it asked me to review 3 assignments of some other students. So maybe that's how they are getting them peer reviewed. So this is a little general introductory video about Coursera learning to teach online. I hope it helps you. It helps you to learn something, as well as to help you to how to complete the course as well. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.